I'm rich, diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich.
Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to get on here and do another Halloween makeup tutorial. They're super easy, anybody can do them. You don't have to be a professional because I'm by far any type of professional when it comes to makeup. But if you want to see this look, keep watching. Okay guys, so I just cleansed my face with a primer. Let's make sure we can see that. If it is showing up. Okay, just need a little bit. I'm just gonna go ahead and go in foundation. I'm just gonna put it on my brush. Like so. Put some everywhere. That's right. Done. I grabbed a couple of brushes and I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes, and I'm gonna prime all around. You'll see why in a minute. Okay. Like so. And I'm gonna go ahead and just blend that out. Now I'm gonna go in with my Hollywood and Vine black eyeliner. I'm going to go ahead and line my under eyes. And you can do it very chunky, because what we're going to do is blend it out to the top as well. And I love this one because it's so creamy. Gonna go ahead and blend that up. Then I'm gonna go in with the eyeliner again, go a little bit more. To blend that in as well. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with this color right here. I'm going to add that color in. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with color right here. It's like a really dark brown, chocolate brown. And I'm just going to blend the top. So now I'm just going to sharpen my pencil. I'm going to do my nose. You guys comment down below, let me know. Let me know if you have a guess what I am or what I'm trying to portray. Comment down below, let me know. So now what I'm going to do to my nose is I'm going to kind of just draw a little line here. Like so. And all this will be shaded. Then I'm just going to get my brush here. Blend that out. And then here I'm just going to brush it up just so it gives it some depth. And the lines aren't so harsh, so just kind of blend that up. That chocolate color and put it in there as well. And now I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit of primer on my lips. Now I'm going to go ahead and show my artistic skills. Yeah, right. the skin tight. And you guys, now I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit of contour because I want to kind of darken my cheeks a little bit. I'm going to go in with my bow arrow.
Shattering, shattering the part of me, and I can take it. My heart is so hollow, the blood has an echo inside of my veins.
And that's it, you guys, with my Wonder Brow. Just to give them a little bit of color. This is the look. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Comment down below, let me know if you liked it. If you have any requests, definitely let me know. If you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. I'm trying to do like a Halloween makeup tutorial for beginners. Let me know if you like this, if you want me to come up with more tutorials like this, and I would definitely do that for you guys. So I hope everyone's doing great. Have a great week, rest of the week. Until next time, see you in the next video.